Good morning, Wales. It's Tuesday, March 25th. Let's go over and review Tesla based on its recent price action to see what's going to happen over the next few days, next few weeks. And yeah, let's dive in. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though, guys, you can copy and mirror me here in Discord. I give my exact entries, stop losses, targets, everything here that you need to succeed. So if you need help in figuring out what trades to get into before anyone else does, come join. I'll see you guys here. All right, so with that said, with Tesla, guys, I do believe this cycle, right, this entire downtrend has ended for now, right? So now we can officially label this as a potential bottom where we have an invalidation level. So what does this mean? This means that as long as price stays above the invalidation level, right, this count makes sense. But if price starts falling underneath, we're going to have to redraw this count and recount it. But until then, let's not worry about that for now, right? Let's see what Tesla can do and what it can sort of push towards for the future. Okay, so if we're calling this a bullish path, the first thing that I'm looking at is Tesla to make 5 waves, guys. I want to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in blue to finish off all of this as an A wave, right? We'll get a B wave coming down for that significant flush, right? We typically get a deeper retrace after we finish 5 waves. As long as this low, as long as this wave can hold above the invalidation level, that's when you want to buy, and now you can push forward for a chance at the 50 back. Okay, so what does that mean for the 50 back? Well, let's take a look. So we're going to take the fib retracements from the top down to the bottom, okay, and we're looking at potentially 353 up to 385 as the main target for Tesla to finish off all of this as an A, B, C wave coming up. Okay, so we're looking at 385 to 353 as the main target. Okay, so let's see if Tesla can do that. Okay, now in the shorter time frames, again, all I see is 3 waves so far, guys, right? I just see a wave 1, 2, and we're working on this 3 waves so far. Okay, I don't see a 4, I don't see a 5 yet. So in my opinion, it looks like Tesla wants to keep pushing forward and wants to keep pushing higher, right? So I don't like selling at these levels, especially at these sort of bullish sequences. And another question I get a lot is that, okay, stock whale, right? I missed the lows, right? I wasn't able to get in. When should I buy? Well, in my opinion, there's 2 strategies. The first strategy is that you just wait for this B wave to come down, right? You wait for 5 waves to get put in, which will take probably 1 or 2 or 3 weeks. Once it gets put in, you wait for that large retrace on the B wave, and you buy up the B wave. Okay, that's one strategy. The second strategy is that you can buy on red days, right? So if you, let's say you have $10,000, right? You buy in increments of $1,000 on red days, right? So 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, right? That's 5. You deploy 50% of your capital. And then once the 5th wave comes in and that B wave comes in, that's when you release the next 50% of your capital, right? So now you're fully vested into Tesla, right? Here, and then let's say you bought the, red days, wherever the red days are, right? So now you're good, you're in, right? And you have your stop loss underneath the invalidation level here at 218. Okay, so you're looking pretty good. So that's sort of the strategy that you want to go for Tesla. And again, you're trying to reach the 50 back. So let's say your average is 277, right? So you're looking at a potential 40% to 30% upside, right? So still really great, in my opinion. So as long as Tesla can sort of hold these levels, you're looking pretty good. Now, what happens at these levels? Well, 2 things, right? We could be putting in a double correction where Tesla does break even further down to $100, which I think it is possible, but it's unlikely, right? Or we can make another higher low and keep pushing up, consolidate like this, and then keep pushing up to all-time highs. Okay, that's exactly what I want to see. But until then, let's just get past this sort of sequence first, guys, right? I want to see 5 waves in. Anything could happen in the markets, but as long as we can get 5 waves in, I'll be more bullish than bearish at this point. We'll call this the bottom for now, and we have the invalidation level set. Okay, so yeah, have a great rest of your Tuesday, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Again, come join Discord, guys, right? We have a lot of trades waiting to get filled. If you need exact entries, if you don't know what to do, where this B wave is going to land, where to enter, I'm telling you, I got you covered in the Discord. Come join with my exact entries. You're going to make a lot of money with us. Talk to you guys soon.